guys? Back again here at Pine Street Performance. It's been a while since we dug into Krusty the 5.3. Right now I just took the plastic wrap off of it. Gonna start probably pulling the rods and pistons, gonna pull the lifters out. Gonna start probably, my mission today is to get the rods and pistons out and gap the rings and at least get the lifter trays and all the lifters out, which are fucking stuck, excuse my language. I've got 1.5 out and it's been nothing but a pain in the ass. So that's today's goal, to get everything out, get the rings off, mark them all, try to get them all gapped today. You know, we'll see how it goes. You know, I mean, recording, editing, and doing the work is so time consuming, so let's just dive right into it.
With my perceptions and a mess down 20 miles through the sticks to the cloudy town of Hellview, population 96. Except the vacancy, well maybe in the shadow of the night, all the strangers passing through it where the rules just don't apply. Cause 96 quite bitter beings like to stack the bodies high. The only way to ever leave is over flooded by the storm. And entanglement in Hellview brings you fear in 54. And not one supports the cause to leave the blood stay in the veins.
Back is where we are. All we ever wanted was you.
Alright guys, so we got the got all the lifters out. They were an absolute pain in the ass. Probably because there was rust. Probably show you one here. And there's a little bit of gunk. It's almost like a little maybe surface rust on the very bottom when we were yanking them, so probably all it was. Got them all out, so said we're probably gonna move on to flipping the motor over, and we'll probably start pulling rods and pistons and checking the validity of the bearings and stuff, so see if it's worth using. And then probably, I don't know if it'll be in this video, but take the front cover and the balancer off and really tear into it, start thinking about what cam we're going to use, and kind of go from there.
With the air that's in my mind and in my soul, I'm driving blind. I got a picture in a box that brings me to where I am. Yet the eyes are all fixed on you, not me.
Alright guys, as you saw in that time lapse, came to a halt. I'm running to the hardware store. I gotta find a 12-point socket. I only have a 12-point in 1/4-inch drive, so gotta run to the hardware store, at least get a 1/2-inch, sorry, not 1/2-inch, 3/8 or 1/2-inch 12-point 1/2-inch size head on it, because the flywheel that's on that 5.3 obviously is for some sort of manual transmission, but it has ARP hardware, so 12-point ARP hardware, so we got to get that off. That way when we put it back on the engine stand, it can be spun over so we can get the rods and pistons out. and then we'll be right back.
Before cannot be retrieved. From all the way up here, there's no rain. I'm flying high, but the worst is never first. There's a person that'll set you straight. Canceling the force within my brain. For flying high, the simulator has been disengaged. Indifference begins to take sides. Face down the whole world wide. Before.
Alright guys, so as we saw earlier, get the whole rotating assembly out. I think I already said that, but we're going to jump in and I think yank that harmonic balancer and probably take the needle scaler and just start running through the thing and just getting all the loose paint off it. Try to get it ready to give it a quick paint job. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with it, but I'd like it to look presentable if I'm gonna put some money into the motor. So at least try to do the sides and do here in the front. Maybe leave the front timing cover just raw. But, yeah, without further ado, we'll jump into another time lapse.
With the air that's in my mind and in my soul, I'm driving blind. I got a picture in a box and it's bringing me to where I am. Yet the eyes are all fixed on you, not me. For driving blind, and the first time will be the last time that you believe. You're falling as you decide. Face down the whole world. Before cannot be retrieved. From all the way up here, there's no rain. I'm flying high, but the worst is never first. There's a person that'll set you straight. Canceling the force within my brain. With the air that's in my mind and in my soul, I'm driving blind. Got a picture in a box and it's bringing me to where I am. Yet the eyes are all fixed on you, not me. For driving blind, and the first time will be the last time that you believe. You're falling as you decide. Face down the whole world. Before cannot be retrieved.
just like that. Got some paint on her. It's a little bright. Not what I was expecting. This is what the can looks like. This is like a red. That looks like a orange? I don't really know. You guys decide. I don't know, but it's like a flat. It's like chalky. It's weird. But anyways, that's what it looks like. It looks a heck of a lot better than the crust and the scaling and everything, so I like it. I think it's better than looking at brown and black, so we're gonna roll with it, I guess. So good progress today. Got the whole, where is it? There it is. Rotating assembly out of it. So I'm happy about that. Probably, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Thinking, because this is supposed to be a giveaway engine, not a giveaway, but a waffle engine for one of you guys to win. That's why I painted it. I'm thinking Gen 4 5.3 rods for this engine. Maybe spend a little money and put some like some Summit Pro LS 5.3 pistons in it. Everybody I know around here at least runs pump gas because unfortunately that's all there is local to Massachusetts anyway. I mean, there's a pump in Sturbridge, but nobody's gonna drive the Sturbridge every time they want to drive their car. So the Pro LS pistons will help be a little tougher, will resist pinging and that sort of thing a little better, maybe, I don't know. But pump gas is kind of unforgiving, so we'll probably get rid of these guys, the Gen 3 stuff, and we'll probably throw some Gen 4 rods in this thing, and maybe if I can find a deal on some Icon pistons or some Summit pistons, and we'll get those on order, and think about a cam and stuff. I still got to get a cam for this too. So anyways, that's gonna it's probably gonna do it for this episode, video, whatever you want to call it. If you stay till the end, well, I appreciate it. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it's cool that some of you stay and watch, so I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. What do you like? What do you don't like? We're going to continue this series until it's done. And like I said, the whole theory is get the engine finished and have a whole video series behind it to show what was done to it and kind of speak for itself, so people want to buy a spot. So I don't know what how much the spots are going to be or how many spots yet. So I'm just looking to get it assembled and see it make oil pressure for everyone, and then we can go crazy. But yeah, I got a Facebook page now. It's Pine Street Performance. I've done actually one waffle already. I'm currently trying to waffle a friend's 68 Plymouth Satellite. So if you guys are on here and you watch, feel free to pop onto the Facebook page, find me. It's it's 100 spots. Sorry, it's $100 a spot at 200 spots. So it's a pretty cool car. 68 Mopar Performance crate engine, posi rear, stall converter. It's a rowdy, 4,000 pound brick going down the road. Big mean air filter sticking out of the hood and stuff. So feel free to jump on there and get into that, man. I mean, it'd be cool to win a car for $100, or at least for me. So until next time, I appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.
With my perceptions and